you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a beautiful wig to install. This is a ponytail wig. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Let's give a warm welcome back to Kiss Love Hair. I don't even know how many collaborations I've done with them, but it's been a lot. Their wigs are always super full, long, soft, and the quality is always there. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 360-degree ponytail wig, also known as Invisi strap wig. That means it has two drawstrings at the back that you can pull and secure, and you can wear this wig glueless and put it up in a ponytail.
But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that.
This is what the wig is giving. I like to spray the back, so the perimeter of the hair, with some lace tint because I know like it does tend to look a little light. Against my skin, this is what it's looking like, so it's not bad. I just think that I can put a little tint, so I'm just gonna spray just a tiny bit. And not forgetting about the back, because there's lace there too. And then I like to find my little Invisi strap. Wow, the fit of this is actually really good. But there's like way too much hair right here for me. I'm gonna cut into the lace and remove some of that hair because it's just more than I would want. If I want this wig to lay completely flat here, it's looking like I'm gonna have to go in with cutting just a tiny bit right here because it's not free. So basically I'm gonna be looking to see where that thread is because there is a seam. If you cut into that part where the thread is, you're gonna wreck the feature of like the Invisi strap. So you wanna be very mindful of that. See, now it's fitting flush like we want it. So now I can just go in and snip a little bit of that lace off right there. Okay, so that's the difference. I feel like we should also remove some of this lace area. You could use those hairs for baby hairs, but my natural hairline isn't built like that. So I'm just gonna make it look more natural to my shape. You don't have to do any of this because it does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, but it doesn't mean that you can't touch your lace and you can't cut into it. The more that you go into it and customize, the more realistic it's going to look, right? And you can see like now already this side is looking a lot better than this side. This side is not laying flat or flush because of this ear portion right here. We're gonna repeat this onto this side. This is her gluelessly, okay? Now you see it because we're gonna glue it down. I personally don't recommend wearing any frontal wig gluelessly, the floppy sides, but to each their own. I'm gonna mount mine down with my Lace Lineage melting glue. Please excuse the noisy children. They're living their best lives outside, playing tag and whatever else. Instead of me saying featuring Kiss Love Hair, it's gonna be like featuring the neighborhood kids. Clean surface, always best to install your glue.
Serving rich Auntie Chloe B. blessing, but F you, hate me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my. Luxury. We come so far, oh luxury. Cover these scars and I.
I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm going to apply some Lace Lineage melting spray. Put this band on and hit it with the blow dryer for, you know, a few seconds.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep 'em
Tuck that away. And this is what the back should be looking like. This is what she's giving, fresh out of the box. A lot of body, a lot of hair. Okay, so when I curled this wig, I did not use any hairspray. So it's normal that the curls are going to drop a bit when you don't use hairspray. But I just want to feel the hair in its softest form. I don't want anything like, you know, affecting that, changing that.
would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation, cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Cloud chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you here for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough.
To style this wig in the first style today, side part. I'm not typically a side part girly. I'm usually a middle part girl, but I'm eating it up. So this is the first look. I think we should definitely try a little middle part, because would it really be a Caviar Kez review if I didn't do a bust down middle part?
Leave them on red, I swear I can't please them all. But when it comes to you, I know how to handle that, boss. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby, say please and thank you, cause your lover stayed down.
Just sprayed some powder on that, and now I'm gonna set it with some makeup setting spray because I put makeup on it. We're almost done. We're like halfway.
He said, right. Now we can't leave from my side. Oh my.
It's so silky, oof, and full, like lots of body and bounce. Oh my gosh. Middle part, I mean, it's not much different than the side part. That lace is looking so delicious. Oof. Yeah. No baby hair is needed, by the way. I really like this. This is cute. It's a bit May.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost everybody on a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody has to let go of the egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could.
I'll spray some hairspray at the end. As long as we can get the hair up, that's fine. Half up, half down. Cute. Let me know again which one's your favorite, guys.
Like I could if you would show me. Yeah. If you would show me.
Gather here, boys and girls. Gather here. You're about to witness some sorcery. About this much gel.
I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how
I like getting it in like a rough ponytail, you know? Don't worry about these side pieces, okay? We'll get back to that. A lot of smoothing. No, because the back is glueless, so it's not gonna be like perfectly snatched. We're just trying to go for a semi-high ponytail.
no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should.
Hello, call me Ponyana, okay? Ponyana. Do I have any edge? I'm a little bald in the back of my nape, so I probably don't even have much hair to pull out for myself, but it's okay, we don't need any of mine. Tell me that doesn't look like that's my hair, like, or at least like I got a ponytail.
I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times. Cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news. Cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts.
I am obsessed with this wig. When I tell you obsessed, girl, you need to run to the checkout line. My final thoughts, of course, I love this unit. I love the styles that I did, and it feels very comfortable when I'm wearing it. Even though it's a ponytail wig, my hair is all snatched up. I don't really feel it, and I'm not feeling it like super tight on my head, so I really think that's a good selling point. I'm tender-headed and I don't like wearing wigs for too long. I'm impressed. 10 out of 10. This wig is most definitely Caviar Kez approved. If you guys want to purchase it, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out before you go. Now I gotta go. I'll catch you guys later in another video sometime soon. Bye.